Hi student, let's begin with question number 5. Line L is the bisector of angle A. So given is line L bisect angle A and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendicular. So BP is perpendicular on AP and BQ is perpendicular on AQ. Show that triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB. Number 2, BP equal to BQ or B is equidistant from the arm of angle A. So let's see the figure first. Let's try to understand what is given and what we need to prove. So this is your diagram which is given to us in the question, and see this. According to this given, we have this angle L, line L, sorry, this is line L and it bisect angle A. ये एंगल A को bisect कर रहा है. That means कि एंगल 1 and एंगल 2 is equal, isn't it? क्योंकि ये bisector है तो फिर ये एंगल 1 और एंगल 2 equal हो जाएगा. This is given. Then what else is given? It is given that BP and BQ are perpendicular on the arm. So this P angle is 90 degree and Q is 90 degree. This is the second given. And we need to prove triangle APB congruent to AQB. Now how will you prove this triangle? Since दो चीज़ें तो हमको यहाँ दे दी है. एक तो we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 2 since line L bisect angle A and angle P is equal to angle Q 90 degree. If we get one more thing, then we will be able to prove this triangle, isn't it? So the third is, see this side AB. AB is common AB, right? AB is equal to AB common side. So can we say the triangle are congruent by angle, side? And therefore we can write BP is equal to BQ by CPCT, isn't it? That's all. So let's start solving. Solution first is in triangle. First part. In triangle APB and AQB, we have angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Line L bisect angle A. Second, angle APB is equal to angle AQB, each 90 degree. Okay, these two elements are given, and the third element is AB is equals to AB, common side, and therefore triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by which criteria? Angle side congruence criteria. And second part, BP is equal to BQ by CPCT, congruent corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Question number 6. AC, in the given figure, AC is equal to AE. This is given, AC and AE is given, and AB is equal to AD. Angle BAD is equal to angle EAC. Prove that side BC is equal to DE. This is the given and this is asked. Now let's examine the figure which is given. Now this is the figure which is given to us in our textbook. See, first of all we'll mark what is given. We have, हमें दिया है AC, this is AC, is equal to AE, alright. Then we have AB is equal to AD. We have angle BAD, मतलब ये वाला angle BAD is equal to angle EAC, this angle. And we have to prove BC is equal to DE. BC is equal to DE. तो first of all you see कि BC जो side है, it is the side of which triangle? So if you look into the triangle, you will see BC is a side of triangle ABC. Okay, जो BC है वो triangle ABC का side है. And DE, this is DE, which is the side of triangle ADE. वो ADE की एक side है. So if we want, as I told you in my previous question, if you want to prove any side or any angle, you have to prove the triangles congruent. Then only you can write by CPCT. BC और जो भी एंगल है वो कॉन्ग्रेंट होगा. पहले आपको ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रेंट प्रूफ करने होते हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टू प्रूव ट्राइंगल ABC एंड ट्राइंगल ADE कॉन्ग्रेंट, इजंट इट? ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ. सो फॉर ABC एंड ADE व्हाट इज गिवन? वी हैव AB इज इक्वल्स टू AD. तो हाँ, ये हो सकता है AB आएगा ABC का और AD मिल जाएगा ADE का, ये एक एलिमेंट हो गया। सेकेंड वी हैव AC, दिस AC इज इक्वल टू AE, तो यस दिस इज द सेकेंड साइड, मतलब ABC का AC हो गया एंड ADE का AE हो गया, तो दो साइड तो है। इफ़ वी गेट अगर टू साइड से तो वी नीड अ इंक्लूडेड एंगल, साइड एंगल साइड के लिए, राइट। अब वो एंगल कौन सा होगा, तो हम ट्राइंगल ABC को कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, राइट। सो इफ़ वी हैव साइड AB एंड AC, देन वी नीड विच एंगल, वी नीड एंगल ABC, इजंट इट। हमें एंगल ABC लगेगा तब जाके वो इक्वल होंगे, है ना, मतलब कि कॉन्ग्रेंट हो सकते हैं अगर ये पूरा एंगल मिल जाए तो, क्योंकि ABC हमें पूरा चाहिए बिकॉज ABC की बात हो रही है। एंड DAE में भी वी नीड दिस वन, राइट, एंगल DAE चाहिए। बट है क्या हमारे पास, दे हैव गिवन अस BAD, ये वाला पार्ट है, एंड वी हैव EAC। सो हाउ, बट वो ये एंगल लाने के लिए हम क्या करें। इफ यू ऑब्जर्व द फिगर केयरफुली यू विल सी दैट दिस पोर्शन विच आई एम शेडिंग इज द कॉमन एंगल in both the given angles, isn't it? See this part, हमें ये तो दिया है एंगल BAD is equal to एंगल EAC. If I add एंगल DAC to both the side, एंगल BAD में भी और एंगल EAC में अगर हम DAC को ऐड कर दें तो we will get एंगल BAC which is required. BAC is equal to एंगल EAD and by side angle side we will be able to prove the triangle congruent, isn't it? So let's start. First of all we'll add the angles ताकि वो हमको जो थर्ड एलिमेंट है वो हमारा मिल जाए. What is given? So we have angle BAC, BAD is equal to angle EAC. This is given. In this we are going to add common angle. Which common angle? DAC to both the side. To both sides. Then we will get angle BAD add angle DAC is equals to angle EAC add angle DAC. So look it into the figure, BAD plus DAC, we will get angle BAC and EAC plus DAC, here we will get angle DAE, angle DAE जो हमको चाहिए, give it number 1. Now let's prove the triangle. Now in triangle BAC and in triangle EAD we have AB is equals to AD. This is given. Then we have angle BAC is equal to angle DAE. This is from 1, right? तो पहले हमने ये ले लिया, फिर हमने ये वाली एंगल ले ली. अब हम लोग लिखेंगे थर्ड एलिमेंट जो AC is equals to AE, which is also given to us. And now therefore triangle BAC is congruent to triangle EAD by which criteria? By side angle side congruence criteria. And therefore you can write BC is equals to DE by CPCT.